Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Samrat Chaudhary ji, Honorable Minister Urban Development, Shri Nitin Nabin ji, Principal Secretary of Urban Development and Housing Department, respected Anand Kishore sir, Shri Binay Jha ji, Director, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, all mayors and public representatives of various urban local bodies of Bihar present in the audience, officers from various states, technical experts from IIT Roorkee and KPMG, and representatives of various companies. On behalf of all the officers, municipal commissioners, and the entire team of Urban Development and Housing Department, I extend a very warm welcome to all the guests and participants to this collaborative conclave on waste management. It is a great pleasure to have all of you here and participating today. As all of you are very well aware that Bihar has progressed on various fronts and across various sectors, we have also made consistent efforts and we intend to put in place effective and efficient systems for waste management. Towards this objective, we are really looking forward to hear and to learn from the presentations of various states and companies present here and whose work has earned due recognition in this field. In addition, through this conclave, we have endeavored to bring various stakeholders together with the objective of not only discussing and sharing successful experiences, modern technologies, opportunities, but also the constraints and difficulties associated with this vast subject of processing, reusing, and recycling the waste. We hope and strongly believe that today's discussions and interactions will be extremely fruitful for each one of us, and valuable insights will be provided towards framing the future strategies for much better results in this extremely crucial area of waste management. With these words, I again extend a very warm welcome to all the participating states, institutions, and companies to our state Bihar, and express sincere gratitude towards each one of you for joining in here today. Thank you so much.